So next time you want to give a colleague or a friend a step-by-step documentation on how you were able to solve a problem using your Windows machine, then I think there's a perfect tool that helps you do that called the PSR, the Problem Solve Steps Recorder. This is an inbuilt tool in Windows 10 and Windows 11 that helps you keep track of every click and screenshot of your interactions with your system. So let's say I want to share with a colleague how to remove a school or work account from their Windows machine. So all I have to do is just start up the SPR. So I just have to go to Windows menu and search for PLR, which stands for Problem Steps Recorder. Click on it and click on start record. So once I start record, it will record every click and every interaction on my system. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and click on that. Start record. Record has started. So everything I'm doing right now will be recorded on the steps record. So I just go ahead and click on the Windows button, click on settings, click on an account, click on access work or school. Go ahead and click on the account I want to remove and click on disconnect. Yes, I want to disconnect. So I've been able to use the steps recorder to follow step-by-step instructions on how to remove a work or school account from your Windows machine. So once I am done with the instructions, all I have to do is go ahead and stop the steps recorder. So I just go over and click on steps recorder and I click stop record. So this opens the results of every step-by-step instruction that I use in adding or sorry removing a user's account from Windows machine. So you can see it keeps a screenshot of when I click on the Windows button, when I click on the settings, when I click on accounts, and it doesn't just keep a screenshot. It also tells the user what was clicked. So user left click on accounts. Uh, it's also telling the user like click on access work or school. So it gives you like instructions and also gives you uh, the screenshot of what was clicked and when it was clicked. Disconnect. Yes. So this is like every instruction that was followed in able to solve this problem. So I can actually go ahead and save this on my local machine as a zip file. I just save it in my desktop. Can give it a name. From Windows, and I'll just go ahead and click on save, and I can go ahead and close this window. So when I go to my desktop, I have this file. It's a zip file, and it has the record, which is I think is in HTML format and can be opened in a browser that user can actually view from the end. So I can actually send this to over through email or whatever means that I want to send this to, and user will be able to view the instructions I followed to solve a particular problem. Okay, so this is taking time to load, but it's actually coming up. Yeah, so this is it. So user can actually see step-by-step instructions, screenshot on how it's able to solve this problem. So this is actually how you can use the the PSL, the problem steps recorder, or just the step recorder to have a screenshot and step-by-step documentation on how to solve a particular problem. And you can send this over to your colleague or a friend in able to see how you're able to solve the problem, and he or she will be able to solve the problem. Thank you for watching this video. If you're watching from YouTube, please make sure to subscribe for more Microsoft Technologies tutorials. Okay, have a wonderful day. Bye.